purchasing your next home is one of the largest investments in your life. Especially if this is your first time, the whole process can seem confusing and frustrating.
Yes, indeed. The buying process is a journey with some twists and turns, and it takes a clear and easy to follow roadmap to get you started and to guide you through the finish line.
Don't you wish you had access to such roadmap with necessary information, as well as a list of professionals that you may need their help to accomplish this goal? No worries, we got your back with your dream real estate buyer's package.
To request for a free one-on-one consultation and learn how to obtain the package, click on the link below and provide your information.